Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you are using more battery today than you usually do on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you are facing the issue that you are seeing any option or any warning in your battery section, which is you are using more battery than you usually do. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing is that you have to simply go back and you have to go to software update sections, open settings, go to general, go to software update, and try to update your software. Basically, you have to maintain your battery usage. So after that, you might not see this message, but you will still see this message for up to 1 or 2 days if you do your best. So I recommend you have to go to view all battery usage from here and just check for the apps which are consuming more battery in background or on screen. So you can try to offload them if the apps are unnecessary. So you can try to offload them, or you can also disable background usage of those apps. So go to your general section here, go to background app refresh, and you just have to try to disable background app refresh for the apps which are unnecessary but are consuming more battery in background. Or you can also try to completely disable background app refresh. So after disabling background app refresh, none of your app might be able to use your iPhone, Wi-Fi or cellular data. So after doing this, you have to simply go back. I also recommend you have to try to update your software, or after updating software, just try to make a force restart. So now to do this, you have to quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for your logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here, you have to go to Settings app. You can also try to enable low power mode. So go to Battery section here, go to Power mode, and just enable this toggle to enable low power mode for your iPhone. Or you can also try to use dark themes. So go to display and brightness settings and select dark from here to enable dark theme for your iPhone. So after doing this, you can also try to reset your network settings or your reset phone settings, or you can also try to update your apps. Open your app store here, just tap on your profile option in the top right, and here you just have to try to update all apps from here. So once you have updated all of your apps, you might not see these errors after a few days. So I recommend you have to try to maintain your battery usage for up to 1 or 2 days, and after that you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.